There are right to life laws and there are right to die laws. Now lawmakers in Washington, including some from Arizona, are talking about a right to try law. Reporter Keisha Butts in our Washington bureau attended a rally in support of the right to try.
It's already the law in Arizona. Terminally ill patients have a right to try experimental drugs that have completed some FDA testing, but have not yet received final approval for human use. Now, lawmakers are pushing for federal law.
So for me this year, this is a personal fight.
Representative Matt Salmon said he wants his right to try bill passed as his friend Laura Knabrak passed away from cancer.
She fought that dread disease for 5 years.
Salmon dedicated this year's Right to Try rally to Knabrak as she was the champion in Arizona's Right to Try. Right to Try laws would allow terminally ill patients to try experimental drugs that are not approved by the FDA. Several people say they are fighting for hope, and although it's wrapping up now, people from across the country came to fight for the right to try.
But there is a drug that exists that can help Jordan right now, and there are boys that are having success with this drug in Europe.
My husband passed away from ALS last October, so we are here for the Right to Try rally because we believe that, patients have that right to try a drug if they feel that it's going to maybe save their life.
Darlie Coleman of the Goldwater Institute said their stories are not uncommon.
We hear stories every day of people who have ALS, breast cancer, other types of cancer, other deadly diseases, who could not enroll in clinical trials. And had they been able to enroll in a clinical trial, it could have saved their life.
Salmon said we all have the right to life.
A lot of folks across America, when you talk about the right to life, you think about the rights of the unborn. Well, today we're going to talk about the rights of the born.
We should point out that Congressman Salmon will work in government affairs for Arizona State University when he leaves Congress. But until then, he still holds hope for his bill, which has yet to receive a hearing in more than a year after it was introduced. Reporting live in Washington, I'm Keisha Butts, Cronkite News.